Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Study per Square Centimeter. So in this video, we are going to do some sentence correction questions. So let's begin. Whenever sentence correction question comes in exam, it comes this way that choose the answer option that corrects any error or errors observed in the underlying fragment. So with this, let's come to the first question. Long-term risk is rarely taken by air quality indices into account. They also vary from place to place. So first you have to identify the errors, then correct them in your own mind with your own knowledge and then come to the options. So let's see. They here is being used for long term risk. And जब भी they use हो रहा है तो they जिस word के लिए use हो रहा है we need that word to be the object of the sentence. But since ये sentence passive form में है तो long term risk यहाँ पे सब्जेक्ट है सेंटेंस का एंड वी नीड इट टू बी द ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस. तो ये सेंटेंस हमें एक्टिव फॉर्म में चाहिए. एंड द सेकेंड एरर इज देयर इज अ कॉमा हेयर एंड वी नीड इट टू बी अ सेमीकोलन बिकॉज ये दोनों सेंटेंसेस अलग हैं एंड इनको ज्वाइन करने के लिए कोई एंड और ऑल्दो ऐसा कोई भी वर्ड नहीं है. सो यहाँ पे सेमीकोलन होना जरूरी है. So let's see which option fulfills all our requirements. Let's come to the options. Air quality indices really take long-term risk into account and also has a semicolon. So most probably this is going to be the correct option. But let's mark it and see the rest of the options. Rarely do air quality indices take long-term risk into account. The first part is correct, but here there's a comma and not a semicolon. So this is eliminated. Though long-term risk is rarely taken by air quality indices into account, this is not making much sense because the first part is also incorrect. There's a comma and not a semicolon. So this is also eliminated. And we know that a correction is required. So this is also eliminated. And the correct option is option 1. Now let's come to the second question. If I was the Prime Minister of the country, I will make economical growth, poverty eradication, tax reform my top priorities. सो यहाँ पे एक हाइपोथेटिकल सिचुएशन है, एक काइंड ऑफ विश है कि अगर मैं प्राइम मिनिस्टर होता तो मैं ये करता. तो जब भी ऐसा सेंटेंस होता है हम विल नहीं यूज कर सकते बिकॉज विल इज समथिंग, इट्स अ डेफिनेट वर्ड दैट दिस इज definitely going to happen, this will happen. But since it is a hypothetical situation, we need to use would here. And let's see the other error. Here it is written that if I was the prime minister of the country. Was is being used as a past tense. So we need to write were here. Now you will feel that were is also used in past tense, but whenever there is a hypothetical situation, we can use the word were and not use the word was. So these are the errors and these are the corrections we have to make. So let's see which option fulfills our requirements. So let's come to the options. If I was the prime minister of the country, I would. So would part is correct, but was is still there and we need were, so incorrect. If I were the prime minister, but it's still saying that I will, so incorrect. If I were the prime minister of the country, I would. So this is correcting all the errors. So this is going to be the correct option and we know that a correction is required, so this is eliminated. Third question पे आते हैं. Researchers have recently discovered a bacteria, Ideonella cycanicis, in a recycling plant that eats one of the most common forms of plastic. So errors identify करते हैं. यहाँ पे लिखा है a bacteria, but bacteria is a plural word. We need bacterium. Bacterium is the singular form. In a recycling plant that eats one of the most common forms of plastic. अब यहाँ पे रिसाइकलिंग प्लांट के बाद हम ये लिख रहे हैं that eats one of the most common forms of plastic. So which means that recycling plant eats it. And we need to say and we want to say that bacteria eats it. So this is changing the meaning of the sentence what the author wants to say. So this is also the error. Let's now come to the options. A bacteria, Ideonella cycanicis, that eats one of the most common forms of plastic in a recycling plant. यहाँ पे बैक्टीरिया है and we need bacterium, so this is eliminated. Ideonella cycanicis, a bacteria that eats one of the most common forms of plastic in a recycling plant. Again, there it is being used bacteria and made bacterium, so incorrect. A bacterium that eats one of the most common forms of plastic, Ideonella cycanicis, in a recycling plant. So this is somewhat correct. Let's mark it and let's see the next option. Ideonella cycanicis, a bacterium that eats one of the most common forms of plastic in a recycling plant. So if you see that these two sentences are very similar, the only difference is that here the name is being used first and then it is explaining the bacterium, and here the bacterium is explained first and then the name. So if we have to choose between these two options, option 4 will be correct because this is less ambiguous. We are first giving the name and then explaining the bacterium. So this is going to be the correct option, but if this option wasn't in the options, so option 3 would also have been correct. So let's come to the fourth question. Mental intelligence and common sense were essential for understanding achievement because they involve your natural ability to comprehend difficult concepts quicker and to analyze them clearly and incisively. So first जो error है इसमें यहाँ पे लिखा है your. What we need is once. So this is one error. And the second error is that it is used quicker here and clearly and incisively here. There is a concept called parallel sentence construction, which means that if we are writing a sentence, it can be only quickly, clearly, and incisively. All the words have to be in the same form. This is called parallel sentence construction, and you have to make sure of this whenever you're finding the errors, whenever you're identifying the errors, and when you are correcting them. So let's see the options. One's natural ability to comprehend difficult concepts quickly and to analyze them clearly and incisively. So this is correcting all the errors we identified. So most probably this is going to be our option. But let's mark it for further review and see the next of the options. Your natural ability of comprehension of difficult concepts quickly and clear and incisive analysis of it. This is all the errors. This has many errors and this is definitely not the correct option. So eliminated. One's natural ability for the comprehension of difficult concepts quickly and analyzing them clearly and incisively. Now this is also correcting all the errors we identified. So let's mark this one also and let's come to the next option. One has natural ability to comprehension of difficult concepts quickly and to analyze them clearly and incisively. Now this is written that one has natural ability to comprehension. So now let's read it with the first sentence, that for outstanding achievement because they involve one has natural ability to comprehension. Now this is not making any sense. You need ones here. So this is also eliminated. Now we have narrowed it down to option 1 and option 3. Now option 1 is more concise rather than option 3. So option 1 is going to be the correct option. Fifth question पे आते हैं. He is an asset to the organization, although he seems to be an eccentric and is a loner. So यहाँ पे जो लिखा है वो है that an eccentric. अब यहाँ पे या तो ये होगा that an eccentric person or simple that although he seems to be eccentric. So these are the two options which can be correcting this sentence. And is a loner. And the other error is that we are using although after the positive form. So although is used like if we are using one positive sentence and one negative sentence and it is being connected through although. So we actually write that although some negative form, he is also a positive sentence. So but in this sentence we are first using the positive part and then writing the negative part. So this is not very grammatically correct. So now let's see the options. Although he is eccentric, he is an asset to the organization and wants to be a loner. So अब यहाँ पे eccentric तो पहले use हो रहा है, but wants to be a loner, this is also part of the negative part sentence. So this also needs to be before the positive part, that although he is eccentric and wants to be a loner. So this is also eliminated. Although he is eccentric, he is an asset to the organization, although he wants to be a loner. In this sentence, although is being used twice and this has the same error which was in the first sentence. So this is also incorrect. He is an asset to the organization, seeming an eccentric and is a loner though. Now this is not making any sense. So this is also incorrect. Although he is eccentric and wants to be a loner, he is an asset to the organization. So यहाँ पे पहले नेगेटिव पार्ट यूज हो रहा है, उसके बाद पॉजिटिव पार्ट आ रहा है, एंड ग्रामेटिकली ये भी ठीक है दैट ही इज एक्सेंट्रिक एंड वांट्स टू बी अ लोनर. ये नेगेटिव पार्ट का सारे एलिमेंट्स एक साथ आ रहे हैं. सो दिस इज गोइंग टू बी द करेक्ट ऑप्शन, ऑप्शन 4. With this, we come to an end of our today's video. Thank you. I hope you liked it. It was helpful to you. Keep practicing. The more you practice, the better you will get. Best of luck. And if you have any query at all, you can mail us or you can DM us on Instagram. And if you want to join our Telegram channel, the link is provided in the description box. Thank you.